listen up, let me drop some facts why you gotta rock that hat. No cap, in the summer heat, it's your best defense. Keeps the sun off your dome, that's common sense. Hats. Wear a hat. In the winter chill, it's a must-have move. Keeps your head warm, puts you in the groove. You're a trendsetter, no doubt it's a fact. Confidence peaks when you're rocking that hat. Hats. Wear a hat. Wear a hat. For bad hair days or the sunny parade, a hat's got your back in every escapade. It's more than a trend, it's a lifestyle, true. A hat's got your back, now it's all up to you. Hats. Wear a hat. On your head. In bed. 'Cause you're fat. Wear a hat. Wear a hat. Yeah.